What's up, you guys? Got blue balled with Raja? Yeah. Sorry, guys. Had to the Raja stream got cancelled last minute there. Yeah, Raja stream got cancelled last minute. Raja stream got cancelled last minute. All good. Look at this on gold. I might be interested in taking a buy position here. What's up, you guys on TikTok? Doing amazing, doing amazing. Hope you're doing well. Let's look at gold. The 30 just closed bullish there. Swaggy D, what up, what up, what up? What is this 1 hour? I haven't looked at the charts at all, so the 1 hour is a bit like a bit barcodey. $15-minute, 30-minute. Got to let this one breathe a little bit here. Big Tyler, what up, what up, what up? Cash Dog. K-Dot. What's a YouTube channel? Bro, it's on the screen. Mitch, what up, brother? What up, Shay? James. I mean, I wanted to take a bite at the break of this wick here, but I needed to let it breathe a little bit here. Yo, what's up, Callum? Graph. Got the whole squadron here. Gonna need to let this breathe a little bit. I'm gonna have to ask a little bit more from this. It could just leave here. Hi, bro. Shem. Enrique, I passed phase 1 of Asia. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Progress, my dude. Sylvia. What up? Good to have you here over on the TikTok side. Yeah, the chart's only on YouTube. TikTok might have changed their policies. Shibby. Yeah, TikTok might have changed their policies. I don't think they let charts anymore. I missed you too. Oh, Noah locked back in. Nice, nice. Yeah, this was a nice setup here. It's just when it's London Open, you want to give it a little bit more room to breathe, right? How's the weekend? Fuck, I forget. Good though. Always good. Ariel. What up? Big Nate. Since last week, your YouTube channel is not showing on YouTube, bro. That's impossible. You are literally, there's something wrong with you because that's humanly impossible. All you have to do is write that exact text in on YouTube and you'll straight away see me firing on all cylinders over there. Nas gapped up crazy. Oh wow, look at this. Yeah, that's right, Chibi. Yeah, we're in a weird kind of range here, you guys. I don't know what's gonna happen today. Chop suey. Chop suey on gold. You didn't ask a question, brother. Sheena. Chop suey. I was in buyers to stop the BE. Good management. Yeah, nice management. Problem with the sound? No, the problem's with your phone, brother. I think Gold's a bit like, I don't know what's going to happen today, you guys. Because if you look at sells, maybe if you go below here and then you got this level here, this level here, this level here, sells are a bit of a chopped. I was hoping that pre-London we were going to create some clean traffic to buy up to, and we've got that here, but it's already kind of created that top wick and rejected off. And now if you want to take it at the break of this current 15, you've only got 16 pips of clean traffic. Yeah, that's right, type 2 over here, but just because it was the first candle of the London Open and you really kind of want to give it a bit of more room to breathe at like the session open. Yeah, you want to give it a bit more room to breathe at the session open, I think. What up? Wow, Perry, crazy. Epic. In the beninging. Monday price action, yeah. I mean, NQ's just decided to start kind of dropping a bit. Maybe we could get some sort of support formed and then take a buy on NQ. Yeah, like I said, if you were to take it at the break of this wick, it's like you haven't got much room to move then. Mad Lord. Yeah, it was meant to do a IRL stream with Raja, but he's a bit sick in the head, so we have to reschedule it. Oh, you took that, Sylvia? Yeah, like, you know, it could play out. Like, it's just a rule that I kind of have is, I would have taken it as well if it didn't kind of push up initially so much. But yeah, like structurally it looks quite nice. The moves for today is the same as every day. Just wait for wait to get some levels. You know, ideally you want some clean traffic to the left in order to participate, but we haven't got much clean traffic over here for the session. There isn't too much. And you got this big naked wick down here, you guys. Look at this big wick. How often do you see gold just leave a gigantic wick like that without it being refilled? What's the 4 hour look like on Forex? Oh, 4 hour looks weird. Can't see? Open your eyes. I said that joke in year 4 and I never forgot. A kid in class said, "Miss, I can't see." And then I said, "Open your eyes." And everyone in class laughed. And that's probably my only memory of like year 4. Yes, I'm in Dubai. Yeah. When it comes to psychology, I think I'm one of the most solid out there in the trading space, really level-headed and blunt. Thank you, Tyler. Yeah, I think that's a good attitude to have with psychology in relation to trading, is level-headedness and bluntness with it. Because it is pretty straightforward, right? Yeah, I know, Mikey. Very dirty traffic. So, like, if we were patient, we could get some clean traffic created on the spot. But we'll see. We'll see. Gold's on its own mission. How many SCJs can you buy? Billions and trillions. I find it good. I've had a couple of moments of kind of like missing Australia, and like I've heard an Australian accent of this girl and I was like, oh, I kind of miss the Australian accent. But then I remember that who really gives a shit? What do we got below this level here? Yeah, we got some trap. All right, look at this. We've actually got some kind of room here. It's still gross as hell, but maybe sells below. We'll see. I don't know if we get it. No. UAE treated me good. I am loser? No, you're not loser, bro. You just lost. There's a difference between being a loser and I lost a trade. You look clean, my bro. EAE got on you. Good on you. Thanks, bro. My Eastern accent, people always ask me if I'm Russia. Oh, that's all right. Aussie accent, mate. So we'll see if we get a break below this level here. Daniel the baddest. We'll see if we get a break below here, but yeah, man, I don't know. Anyone else got any fucking ideas over here on gold? Because it's looking pretty poo-poo. NQ's trying to do something. Big gap over here. Do you swing trade, bro? No. But I do join swingers parties. Not really. But no, just scalp. Little rat scalps. I lost 6 trade in 3 days consecutively. Yo, send me the info. You lost 6 trades in 3 days consecutively. Do you know why? Like, did you stick to your plan and all that kind of shit? Like, was it all in accordance to your plan? Or did you go on tilt, or did you take impulse trades? And Quizzy looks a bit better. Yeah, and Quizzy looks like it might be the one that's going to potentially create something. For sure. Anya's not happy? Oh no, why not? Oh yeah, we need to find a way to get to Tori. Whether that's through a window or through some sort of social media avenue. What is Raja Bank? What is Raja Bank? Do they have branches in the... Yes! I love that. Yes, Raja is a bank which has different branches all throughout the Gulf. Raja Bank, similar to Commonwealth Bank. One video that woke me up was learning for a year. I was in a habit of revenge trading, so I stopped. Good. Good. That's the biggest thing that's going to save you. When you can stop revenge banging. When you can pull the pin on the revengees. The angels up in the heavens. Revenge dogs. Let me just do this thing here. I mean, I'll show you guys, anyone that doesn't know fucking what's up over here with Bullinox. I'll show you just, it's pretty easy. This is my last withdrawal on this account before I can, before I go over to the max withdrawal thing. So what's the max you can withdraw? 1,750? I've already done all this shit. Signature. Alright, dope. I mean, might as well suss out one on these other accounts as well. Fuck it, we'll get one on this account as well. Just $1,000. I mean, this one might be up there as well. It's so easy. People always think, do. I'm like, bro, you just literally just type in the thing and then get the money. How long should beginners stay on chart time? Then Holmes, you watch every move of Tory now and wait, what? Damn, why is gold open the trading week lower? Any idea? Yeah, just because the value of gold's lower than it was last week. It's not that deep. It's not that deep. Who cares? Even if you do know the reason, who cares? How long does it take for the money to hit your account? Fuck, bro. The amount of times I've done this and I just don't even know. I don't even really care. I think I just got 1 million in a email here. Let's see what they said. I never like think about it. I just go, oh yeah, it's coming. Oh, here we go. Payout day. The 6th of the 8th. Yeah, the 6th of the 8th. So in like a week or something. Withdraw some for me? Yeah, fuck it. What up, S? Oh, you have to submit it by Thursday. Yeah, I don't even think about it. I'll just go, I'll just do a proposal now. Arnie T. Arnie T's on a freaking psychology journey. Arnie T is on a psychology journey. Which is good. Considering that's the most important thing. Arnie T is firing on all cylinders. Ready for NFP? Yeah, NFP this Friday. You guys, we've got mega news this week. Like, strap in. Jolts tomorrow. FOMC the next. Unemployment claims. And then NFP. Wild. What's the market looking like to you? Just choppy on gold right now. Can you put your Discord link in? Yeah, let's put the Discord link in. Anyone that wants to join the free community over here on the Discord, live on YouTube. We're live on YouTube right now. I'm going to put in the YouTube chat the free Disy link. What strategy? Just price action. You guys see how I just hit that payout button there and, you know, what's that? I don't even know how much that is Australian dollars. It doesn't matter. But my point is, when that money hits your account, it's different, right? Because then it goes from we're playing this kind of game with numbers on the screen to, oh shit, I just got a notification, 4 grand just hit my account. Right? It's a bit of a different game. It becomes a bit more real. That's why it's like, it's, you know, the law of exposure. You want to be exposed to getting funded, and you want to get exposed to getting a payout. And your mind kind of adjusts to this new reality. And then you start looking at it as like a part of your job. This is my job to make money now. Reusable. You put a trade in based on the hammer. Is it better to focus on one category, say gold, for example, instead of... Yes. It's much better to focus on one. Get really good at trading one fucking thing. Get really good at trading one thing. No, I didn't get a response from Tori. She didn't open it, I don't think. To see if Bullinox moves you to live account. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm like, I don't even think it'll be anything. I just think it'll allow you to withdraw more. I don't think you'll even get an email. They won't give a shit. Like, it'll just be like, okay, next time you try and pull more out. I can't hear you. Turn your music up. Turn your volume up. Yeah, I don't even know what a live account means. Test. Is that music too loud, TikTok? It's literally on 2%. I'll turn it down to 1. The angels up. Nice house. Yeah, I've got big plans. I've got to do so much shit. You know, if anyone ever wants to do something like move to Dubai by themselves and completely change their entire life and philosophy of life and just just do something massive, just understand it's like such a big responsibility, right? And you have to stay sharp. I got so much shit to do. I know it might be a private message, but in Oz, did you have a business for trading or just straight into personal? No, I didn't have a registered business for trading, no. Can you withdraw every 5 days? No, every 10 trading days. Is Prop XP available on C-Trader? No. Yeah, they have their own platform. They're going to be introducing MT5 soon. Wow, look at gold. Gold's just doing nothing, and NQ's kind of doing this. Why are you not showing your chart? Yeah, my chart's been shown on YouTube. If you want to come over to YouTube, because TikTok has, I think they recently changed their policies or some shit. Yeah, like fucking, what are we gonna do? Wow. Wow. Fucking sandwich. Yeah, come to Yui. Come to you, dog. Big Dillawa, what up? No stream with Raja? Nah, Raja had to freaking pull the pin on the stream last minute. Yeah, no IRL with Raja. We'll get some better content soon. Do something cool. I want to do some IRL stuff, but I want to do it with like other traders, so it's a bit more interesting. Connect, bro. I need to connect with some new traders. Do you still trade gold live? Yep, I'm live on YouTube right now. What's Bitcoin up to this week? Oh, it fully rejected all the way back up. Interesting. Bitcoin massively rejected all the way back up. I downloaded this really cool extension which allows me to download any video. Look at this, you guys. When it loads. Look at this course content for the guys in the mentorship over here. All these videos about an hour each of just focus on specific things in webinars. Higher time frame, setting PDLL, fake outs, the habits of the top 3% against the 97%. You understand 97% of traders fail, and it's no secret as to why. We've got some simulation sessions down here, the probability mindset. Then we go into the type 2, type 1 setups, and there's a lot of fucking good shit here for these guys. What I say to the guys, once you go through the course content, go back through these webinars. These webinars are fucking stacked. Each webinar, we do trade reviews as well. So the guys that know the system really well, then we review their trades with everyone. It's pretty fucking epic. Yeah, with Tori. Toza. Yeah, Big Antonio, we need to, yeah, pretty ugly. Pretty ugly. NQ's just here. Because even if you were to put a level here and say, oh yeah, cool, maybe I'll wait for like a break above that level. To the immediate left, you're buying into this range here. Right, you're buying straight into this chop. So days like this cook new traders. Markets like this cook new traders, and most professionals will just be patient, just wait. Need to meet you in person? Let's do it, my brother. What's your biggest loss in a single trade? A lot. A lot in one day. Is a touchscreen laptop good for trading? All you need is a touchscreen laptop and real bad psychology, a shit strategy, but as long as you have a touchscreen laptop, you will be profitable. I mean, yeah, sure, why not? I think it's good to do it on like a desktop, so you kind of like sit down at the desktop and you're like ready. You know, like you're dedicating time to doing it. That's why I advise against people trading on their phone, because you can be taking a shit, trying to trade, and it's like, are you really that focused and taking it serious? Lost it all on Friday? I'm assuming you were trying to buy gold if you lost it all on Friday. Yeah, it's all right, man. Back on it, back on top of the horse, and just assess the mistakes that were made on Friday. Don't do it again. Did I miss the STH? Wait, what? Shazad, this is a prop firm. Look into what a prop firm is if you're not sure. What up, Moonlight? Moonlight! Dancing in the moonlight. How many songs do you think there are that are called Dancing in the Moonlight? There'd have to be billions. Oh, look, straight away, boom. Song. Like Dance in the Moonlight, or another song would be, Party Till the Lights Shut Out and shit like that. It's like, we need to think of new songs. Then I see on the left of the screen is Aussie. Oh, I seen you left the green screen in Aussie. That bridge is pretty cool. I know. Well, it turns out that green screen was a real screen, but yeah, now we just got apartment Dubai screen. I want to buy gold this week. Why? Why, man? Please, just why? If you see this is the daily candle. This candle's only been open for like just Asia. Is that enough for you to go, all right, I'm ready to buy now? I want to sell gold. It's 3 against 1 here. 1, 2, 3, and one little candle. Like, okay, here's the thing. You really have to ask yourself why. Why do I want to buy gold right now? And you got to have a fucking good answer, logically, not emotionally. If the answer is, well, it's pushed down so far, it has to have a pullback, bad answer. Bad answer. That's your humanness. You're pushing your humanness into the market. The best way to look at the market is, what is it doing right now and what has it been doing? Okay, it's been moving down. Sweet. I'm gonna sell that bitch. Oh. What up, Andrew? Think it might go up later this week. Yep, see, that's humanness. That's a human answer. Buy makes sense if you trade trend lines in the high. I mean, maybe, but is that enough for you to really buy gold? Like, because it's hit a big trend line. But even if you say it's a trend line, I understand what you guys are looking at, but it's kind of below that trend line now. It broke below, right? We're below that trend line. But yeah, I don't know. Do whatever. As long as the reason why you want to do a certain thing in the market is based on logic, not just I think or I want. But this is crazy because I'll put something in the chat saying buy or sell and it will always be relatively 50-50. So all humans are looking at the chart in their own specific way, but it always evens out to like pretty even. So if it evens out to pretty even that most people want to, half people want to sell, half people want to buy, but how come the equation is still like 95% fail? Then that's obviously the other retarded shit that people do that get in the way. How much did you lose when you first started trading? Everything, essentially. Yeah, I lost everything pretty much for the first couple of years. But that was my own fault. That was arrogance and just ego. What do you think is going to happen this week? I have no idea, bro, honestly. Yep, I have no idea. And that's the good thing about being a scalper. Like, we actually don't even need to know. No, we don't need to know. We actually don't even need to know, bro. I'm just trying to get my little rat scalp. The biggest thing that I like to pay attention to is like session trend. Like, what's the trend of this current session? We could say that Asia session trend is somewhat moving up, but it's also so choppy. It's like, what are you going to make of this? Not much. I would say we're just consolidating more than anything at the moment today. Power to fly or the power to know where the market is going? I mean, if you want to know where the market's going, you do that because you're going to become rich. But if you know how to fly, you're going to become rich anyway. Because you could just be like, think about all this shit. You'd be like the most popular person in the world and you could put on shows and shit. So you're going to have to pick fly. What made you pursue and continue trading despite losing everything? Because I was dedicated to massively changing my life and achieving financial freedom no matter what it took. So I was like, I know I'm losing now and I knew it was a part of me. Like psychologically, like my conscience was telling me, hey bro, like your ego is the reason why you keep losing. So I didn't give up because I knew like this is my only fucking shot. Like if I don't succeed in trading, I'm done for. There's probably nothing else for me. I've failed so many times in life at trying to achieve like businesses. And then in order for me to find success in trading, I had to level up massively as an individual, and that's when I started finding success. Any NQ setups? Good question. So NQ is continuing to push down here. NQ is a tricky one, man. We're just moving up now, moving down. If we break this level and create a bit of support or something, maybe, but yeah, I don't know. I'm telling you guys, fucking, you know, we'll see. If gold can break below this level, I might be interested in the sell. Do you think you could have taken an impulse because of the volume of the previous play? On NQ, Kashi? Maybe, but the only thing with that, Cash Dog, is the fact that I like to do that when there's clean traffic, like when there's like, all right, we hit a big level and then beyond that level is clean traffic where it could just drop. but it's kind of not. Like below this level, you're running straight into this and wicks, and so that's the reason why I wouldn't have done it there. I'm happy to do that when I know there's clean, like there's like some pressure point just below or above where it's like there's a lot of liquidity there, and liquidity literally, every time I say liquidity, it reminds me of a rapper. Criminal syllable lyrical in your swimming pool. So yeah, we'll see if gold can break below this level. Wow, someone's looking cute today. You know, when I jump on stream, I go, man, if there's one look you have to achieve today, it's cute. You gotta look cute today. It's going below VWAP. Is it going below that Nicki Minaj song, WAP? 9 to 5 is bullcrap. Bruh. I feel like if we had some sort of technology which we could see who's had the most dog shit jobs throughout their life, I could probably beat everyone here, because I have just scraped the bottom of the barrel throughout life with 9 to 5 bullshit jobs, which have just scarred my soul to such a degree that there's been this deep urge to escape the matrix for so long. Bars. Yeah, Cash, that's what's up. Yeah, them HPs. We got them HP setups. Very demure, wow. I don't watch your lies if you don't look cute. Alright, so gold's kind of doing something here. We'll see. My first job was knocking doors, selling UPVC windows. Nice, yeah. I used to go knock doors and sell these Kirby vacuum cleaners. And the whole way to do it was you knock on the door and pitch the idea that, hey, can we do a quick clean? We'll do it for free. And then at the end of the clean, you do it and you're like, wow, look how cool and good this shit is. Let's sit down and just talk about it. And then you fucking, you know, try to sell them into this vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner is like $3.5 grand. We the guy from Maps Australia. Yes. Increase microphone volume, increase fucking speaker volume, bro. Legit. Promise you, it's a you issue, not me. Oh, your parents had a Kirby? Yeah, somebody from that team would have done the exact same thing, guaranteed. First job was put in the front. Yeah, I'm not the XRP dude, bro. Sorry. Hey, you guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a thumbs up for the stream, gang. We're only at 50. We're about 50 likes here, and 1,000 people have been here. You guys must just hate me. You guys literally must hate me. Which system is the best for market structure? Shift Mect? What the fuck is Shift Mect? M-E-C-T. Trading. Is this some new thing? Oh, you mean just shift market or something? I don't know. My first job was delivering exotic animals 80 hours. Bro, that sounds lit. UK meat factory, yeah. I've done meat factory as well. Meat factories are rough. Yeah. Meat factories are where you go when there's nothing, when no one else wants you. Because they pay alright, but it's night shift and it's the pits of hell though. Escaping from an Egyptian cell. Anybody that knows Vinny Paz. 9 to 5, I'm 7S, London. Yeah. My first job was kebabs at the Hyperdome. Wow. No joke, I wrote. Oh, wow. Frank, see? Yeah, they're fucking good. All right, gold's doing this. I mean, in an ideal world, you guys, if we can fucking come down here and break through this chop, I'm very interested to sell and fill this wick over here. I might be interested in hanging around for a little bit longer than usual to see if we can get something here. Yeah, not a ton, bro. Not a ton, Rob. Dropped you a message, mate? Why? Why? Oh, Uber driving, yep. I trade the Asia session at Asia Open, but it's only for the mentorship people. First job was croupier at, at a casino, damn. What the fuck's a, I don't understand what that word is. I mean, it depends, love, what you're trading on. On a platform like this, you can change it so it's ticks instead of dollar. So you can see the ticks going, but not the dollar amount. Hi, Hamson. What up, potato? Rat the potato. Wow, your eyes color. My first job was pushing carts at a department store. Simpler days, yeah. Sell looks fire, yeah, but you're selling down into poo-poo. That's the only issue. I didn't want this to push down so far, right? Now we've already fucking filled a lot of the range. I wanted to ride it down to here. Yeah, we're gonna have to be patient, man. We're going to have to be patient. We're in a very chop suey kind of session here on Monday. And someone said it at the start of the stream, waiting for Daniel to say patience pays, but I'd hate to say it, but patience pays. Dan, can you drop another backtesting video for the public? Yes. 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 Fuck, that reminds me. I really need to get my fucking MT5 simulator up and running, but I can't because I'm in Dubai and I don't have Dubai ID. So I can't register with the brokerage because I have no Dubai ID yet. They're like, we need a power bill. Yeah, I don't know how to get around that. Levy, doing good. There's definitely a level of stress because there's a lot of responsibility and I'm all here solo, but it's good. Life's a dream. Why are you focusing on the 15 while your mentor is on the 30? Because, you know, I learned from Raja years ago. It doesn't mean I do what he does these days. Oh, you're kidding, Shem. Did you email them, Shem? See what they say, because fucking hell, they're kind of, yeah, they I don't know, they're kind of shit with doing this. How are you feeling today? I'm extremely tired, to be brutally honest, but it's all good. Other than that, amazing. You have us with you. You are not alone. That's true. That is actually true. If I didn't have you guys, if I didn't get to come on here and chat to you guys every day, I'd be absolutely cooked. I don't know how people can do that. Oh, I'm traveling, but I'm going to Cambodia by myself. And it's like, hey, bored though, right? So if I didn't have you guys, I'd be fucking chopped. Your camera quality is extremely good. You're extremely good, TP. Does the simulator just run real-time data? It's previous data. Let's have a look at NQ. NQ is approaching this level down here. Have you taken anything yet? I've taken the heart of America. Yeah, bro, it's sham legit, man. Raja is from town in Pakistan. Yes. Try Pit Labs is a simulator and it is in Dubai. Oh, okay. Pip Labs. I wonder if, Paul, do you know if you need to register with a broker or can you just jump onto Pip Labs and start firing away? Nah, none of these trading girls reply to me. On the coffees, my dude. All right, so gold rejecting this level here. NQ's floating in thin air. It's just floating here. You know, we're still in the first hour of the London Open. Give me free mentorship, bro. Why? Why? I need a funded account, but I don't have money. Bro, I need a fucking Bugatti, but I don't have money for it, so what am I gonna do? You know what I mean? Connect, bro. They don't want us to connect. We need to have a serious talk about the trading girls. They don't know what they're missing. Hey, we're getting a lot of girls joining the mentorship actually, which is awesome. I love that there's girls in the mentorship because they bring a different energy. Girls are good traders. Girls are good traders. I would love to do a bit more analysis on this differences between female and male traders. I wonder what the statistics are. Are you AI? Yes. Ask any question, I have infinite knowledge. Women. Women are good traders. 15 bucks for a 3,000 account Prop XP, that's right. You got the 50% aura. Oh, wow, I just read someone saying something about aura. You got the 50% off code on my screen here. They're scared of your aura. No. Is it MT5 simulator paid? Yes. What's the meaning of life? I know what the meaning of life is, I believe. Do you know in life? Do you know in life how we always think things have to be super complex in order for it to make sense? What if it's so simple? Gold's moving down here. Bro, can you adopt me? I mean, at this rate, I'm probably gonna have to start adopting. Yeah, I might have to start adopting kids. Women are the most not. More careful, but not as risk takery. Yes, holy cow. Women can beat the markets because they're always right. That's so good. That's fucking hilarious. Bro, can you adopt me? I'm 29 years. Bro was serious. Fucking hell. Yeah, what Nathan said. So let's see, man. Let's see, you guys. Did we get to 100 likes at all? Any probability of that? Oh, you guys, 4 likes to go. Please, please, please. 4 likes to 100 likes on YouTube. All right. So if this breaks below, this will be a 30 break. We're gonna have to start to use our mind over here of how we want to approach this. Just be careful with the females in Dubai. They're mistaken wearing earrings for being not so manly. Bro, the girls in Dubai, I'm actually scarred at this point. I can't do it. That was something that bummed me out. I'm like, I don't know, man. Maybe I'm just having a bad run with these girls, but it's fucking rough out in these streets, bro. Authenticity is a lost art. Authenticity seems to be scarcity in Dubai, in the women. Is trading haram? No, I think gambling is, but trading isn't, no. 100 likes can legally change the name to David Trades. David fucking Trades. So we've got the hour closure coming up here. Now we're finally kind of breaking out of this. Look at this, the last 4 hours we've just been kind of stuck in this range. We're kind of breaking below here finally. You picked to move to a fake city, then complain? Yeah, I guess you're right. I knew that was going to be the only issue, is the women. So it's all good. I'll just have to fly some chick out from Colombia or something. It's only escorts here, man. Yeah, girls are here for money. That's what I figured out. Like most of them are escorts and just money hungry. It's really bad, man. It's made me like lose hope in women. Nah, I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't say that. But you know what I mean. Why can't I trade on Ramadan? Because it's a sacred time. Your energy and soul needs to be projected towards something not about you. I met another Latino today, Dan. Bro, don't, man. Can you fly me out instead? So let's see if we get a break below here. Because here's the thing, you guys. If we get a break below here, you go, great, we've got a 30-minute closure below a key area. But then you would have to look at the 15 and say, but the 15 bodies, I mean, the 15 would be a little bit bigger than the prior one. You never want to take a breakout where it's 1, 2, 15-minute candles, but the one that broke out smaller than the previous one. All right, because that would just indicate that we didn't have as much volume as we do now, which is a red flag if you're trying to sell. Bro, what is the reason that you're not into XRP? Because I just focus on scalping the gold and NQ. There's only so much you can distribute your energy. Date guys instead, bro. Yeah, you're fucking probably onto something, bro, at this stage. Not too different to the GC of Brisbane? Nah. Bro, Matt, nah, it is definitely different. Like, oh, look at this. What Toledo has here. ChatGPT response. On average, women outperform men in long-term investments due to more disciplined, risk-aware behavior. Women trade less, avoid emotional impulses, and wow. Huh. Interesting. Why can't we share the screen? It's on YouTube. That's right. It's on YouTube. Please, I'm new to trading. Let's see here. Yeah, I was meant to do an IRL stream with Raja today, but he got sick or something. So we had to not do it. Unfortunately, yeah. Sorry, it was a bit last minute. I don't like that I had to, like, I promoted it and then bailed last minute. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that, but it is what it is. Wrong, just pray for the right girl to come around? No, I would never pray for such a thing. No, I just do whatever. Toledo's a goat, legit. Tory update. I mean, we can have a quick look. I don't know. Too far? Does that come across like a bit like Fuck. Could you imagine, bro? That's so fucking funny. 10,000 aura decrease, eh? Reply if you do it like me. I don't know why that's so funny. Oh, fuck. I'll never be like those other guys. What cam do you use? Nokia 3315. Just put I love you? Yeah. Email her. What's her email? Does anyone know Tori's email? Yeah, Shem, that's kind of what I'm looking at, but I would need to be, the 15 would need to be stronger than the prior 15-minute candle, and it's, right now, it's been, oh, it fully just pushed down then. This is like, this is bad, you guys. This is not, whoa. This is weird. This is kind of bad, you guys. I don't know. I don't know. We've already kind of filled that range now as well. I don't know, man. Yeah, I got veneers. Yeah, that's right. Daniel, can I borrow $50? I'll pay you back when I pass my funded. All good. All good. Just needed a breather. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. Best prop fime? Oh, dope. Awesome. Yes, very good. And you know what's an interesting thing about going through the course content is you're going to go through it and jump in the markets and do your shit for a while. And I would highly suggest and this is to anyone here that's in the mentorship, go back through the content, because I guarantee now that you've got some skin in the game psychologically and technically, it's going to hit different. Talita can be an attest to that. She said that I went back through the psychology shit and it's it hit a lot different now that I got skin in the game. I was like, yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about. All right, so we're moving down over here. Wait, what? Sent $1,000 to a trader that said he would fly there and fight him. So sent the 1,000, the guy did a runner. Wait, what are you fucking talking about, bro? Oh, nice. Awesome, bro. Beautiful. How do I get access to premium content? Yeah, it's just for the mentorship, cats. If you go to danielholmestrades.com, you'll see at the front page here. Yeah, you'll see at the front page here. We've got all the content, course content, exclusive community, webinars, Sunday sessions, all the shit. Oh, Patrick Wheelam, is that who you're talking about? PW sent $1,000 to a trader that said so he said that he'll pay for a guy to fly to him and Patrick was going to fight him. Like, since when does Patrick know how to fight? Like, has he trained fighting? This is the thing about people that want to fight other people. It's like, if you don't know how to fight, really bad idea to offer somebody to fight. Like, I mean, know how to fight in the sense that you've done some sort of martial arts training for a period, like a year or 2 or 3 or 4 or 10 even. A guy that's trained any type of combat sport for even 6 months will beat a guy that has no experience. Totally just sent a DM to Tori. She won't open it. She won't see it. What do you think of Joe trades? Bro, I don't know, but I was randomly on TikTok or somewhere last night, and I seen that he was running a seminar and teaching some people in person. I was like, what a G, good on him. Zoom is not responding. Yeah. I'm Gina, wait for retest to go short. I mean, here's the thing. So my idea here was on the 15 to sell below this level to fill this range down to here. Right, this is a support level here. But we've already filled the fucking range. The 30's got a different range. Right, the 30 you could say, well, the next 30 point is here. But the issue with that is, are you just going to ignore the 15 like it doesn't exist? Do I not exist to you? Right? Anytime you do that, you'll typically get burnt. What's NQ going? NQ looks nice on the fucking 30, man, for a buy. But it's just a bit random, like the structure's weird. Bro, only execute on the 1 minute, is that bad? No, there's no such thing as bad. It's just whatever your strategy is, just do that. Does that make sense to you guys though? If you want to look at selling here on the 15-minute time frame, you're immediately running into this. And you could say that on the 30, this is the 30 level here, which is actually an okay amount of range. But the 15, we just can't ignore the 15 randomly, right? You can't just decide, oh, I want to ignore the 15 just because I want to take a trade. It's like, okay, well, do you also like to lose money? There's a pretty fucking high probability of that happening. You guys on TikTok, look on the screen at the text on the screen. Might anticipate a bit of a push here on NQ. We'll see. Maybe not. I don't know, man. I mean, if you look at this on gold right now, if we just take away this and this, and just look at what I'm looking at here. Does that look pretty fun? Where's Raja? Yeah, we had to cancel the stream last minute. I mean, if we can push through this chop here and just smash through it, fuck, man. If we get down to this level, now we can really start to strap in for some good shit. So what up, Ty? What up, my dude? I YOLO'd short? Why? Why? Is that what a Professional trader. You know, you should take trades thinking about it like this. Are you in an institutional trading floor and there's fucking managers that are managing all these millions of dollars of funds, and your position that you're about to enter can either make the firm $1 million or it can lose them $1 million. Are you going to YOLO that, or are you going to wait for your exact setup that has like proven statistics on it playing out? Going to wait for the 30 retracement to continue burst to the downside. Okay. Just called a $2 million pip. Turn around to the entire fund manager and just be like, yeah, just yell at it, man. Because you know what? That's what those dudes do. You'll need to prove what trade you took and why and how, and they're not going to just let you throw their money away. If it forms support, can we take a buy? Yeah. Yep. I think that'd be a decent idea. If it, yeah, it could maybe potentially do that. I'm on sell gold. Okay. Will be cooked, yeah. Interested in NQ, we can push back up. I don't know, man. It's just so weird. I mean, it's not weird. It's just there's just not much info. This is all-time highs as well. It's like there's not a ton of info here. Maybe if this candle were to flip green, small body green, and then the next one wick down and push, yes. So if this happens on NQ, right, that's what it looks like now. And the next one wicks down and starts to push, I'll have a buy stop sitting there. Nas looks not bad for longs. Yeah, it's just a tricky one because it is all-time highs. There's not like much historical data there. We can't like go to the left and see what's happened in this area before. It's just this. Big gap down here, you know. I don't know. It's a bit of a weird one. To the manager, yeah, don't worry. I'm following this guy. He makes the decisions for me. Gold's kind of retracing back up here. Long time no see. Samuel from Napoli, Namibia, Africa. I like your paper, bro. Thanks for being here, Samuel. David Holmes. What are you guys in the Discord doing? Hey, you guys on YouTube, pinned in the top of the chat, there's a free link to the Discord over here. NQ's got 6 minutes, see if it wants to start retracing back up here. Gold's rejecting. Trendline liquidity on the 5 minute. Petrie, you only just got here. I've been streaming for an hour. I've been cooking for an hour. Alternatively, if NQ can break below this level, we might be onto something. Alternatively, if NQ can break below this level, we might be onto something. I think I'd prefer that. I'll put a text here just in case. Bro, if you hit 200 likes, you must rap. Yeah, can we get to 200 likes here? Oh wow, 156 likes. That's a lot. I want to copy you when you trade, please. I'm broken. I've blown my account so many times. Yeah, but copying how I trade this one time isn't gonna give you long-term accounts. You're just gonna blow it again when you're by yourself in a dark room, revenge trading. Under a light with a fucking bottle of vodka. Who's ever tried to take a trade drunk or stoned or something like that? Bad way to go. Yeah, so choppy, Shivy. So choppy. Drunk trading, yeah, fuck, man. So choppy. Yeah, garbage, I know, man. Oh wow, NPC. Damn it. Mitch went on a freaking a baked revenge trading session and he's like, no more ganja. Maybe it's a ganja, it's the marijuana. Daniel, did you get my message regarding Pits Lab? Is Pit Lab the backtesting software? If so, please message me because I do need it badly. MT5 simulator, they're just being cooked. They're being weird, man. I want to buy a car, please. Buy one. Oh wow, Kashi. Yeah, Ariel, that's why I haven't done anything yet. There's just nothing happening here on Gold just today so far. Casa Trader for backtesting. Is it like a simulator though? Does it not skip candles? Does it actually simulate real candle movements? Wow, Adam. Wild. Oh wow, okay, I might have to take a photo of that name. And it's free? Huh. You can't buy Rajas? Yeah, I had it, but they're just been weird. Ever since I moved to Dubai, and you need to be affiliated with a broker and stuff like that, and I can't get a brokerage affiliate because I don't have... I'm homeless or something, I don't know. I can't prove that I live here yet. What do you say about Rajabank? How it feel when you meet him? Felt good. Yeah, it felt good. I haven't even thought about how I felt. It's just go, go, go. Yeah, I've been able to achieve massive dreams and goals in the last 6 months and changed my life, but I haven't thought about it yet. I don't know if I ever will. Who cares at the end of the day, like how you feel? I think that's why. How does it feel to be living the good life? I don't know. I'll tell you what it doesn't. I don't know how it feels, but I do know that there's not the stress of bills and fuck, I've got to get up in the morning and oh shit, I've got a meeting with the managers today and all those unnecessary feelings, they're not there, which is good. It's always the next thing. You know, high achievers, it's always, this is the 3 traits of a high achiever. And people are going to get this first one twisted. They're going to think it's an ego thing, but they always think they're better than everyone else. In the sense that you have something within you that you think, if I do this thing, I know I can do it better than everyone else. 2, you're never satisfied. And 3, it's always the next thing. What's the next thing? And those 3 can either be massive success indicators, but also massive destruction indicators as well, because if it's always the next thing, then there's never a level of satisfaction. And that's where the Bible, reflecting and reading come in, so you stay level. Soon I'll be like you, bro. I can feel it. Good man. NQ trying to hold, yeah, it failed to close. Hey brother, in all seriousness, how was it driving the Lambo in my dream car? Yeah, it was pretty crazy. When I first got in, I was like, you know what, maybe I don't need a Lambo. And then an hour in, I'm like, yeah, I need a fucking Lambo, this is amazing. Can backtest on TradingView? Nah, you can't. Backtesting on TradingView isn't backtesting, it skips candles. It skips, right? It just goes skip, and then skip. Like, but with a simulation software, it actually moves, right? You see the movement of it, and then it closes. The next one opens up and moves down and up. Have you always been religious? No. Yeah, I only found God as I found success, actually. Found him on the way up. Where I always thought I thought that God was for people that had nothing in life and they needed something. And I was like, no, I actually found him on the way up. Bible says, seek first the kingdom of God and all other things will be ahead of you. Seek first the kingdom of God. Yeah, I think I understand. But even C-Trader only backtest, the lowest time frame you can go is a 30-minute. You can't go even lower than 30-minute. Soft Forex, is that one as well? Let's have a look. Let me take a photo of that. So we're still here, you guys. We're still fucking here. I don't know. What up, Jack? Top 3 prop firms, they're all the same. They're all the same. Any experience with TradeZella? Yeah, I used TradeZella for a while. Oh, I don't know. Is it a backtesting? Yeah, the best backtesting one's MT5 Simulator, but we've been having issues with it lately. Mac got on the way up. Got to know him on the way. Price action above everything, my dude. Please spam that more. Directional bias, don't really have one, man. We're just sideways. We're just sideways today. Nothing's happened yet. I'm willing to be a little bit more patient today to see if we can get some sort of volume here, but as of now, you're going to need patience. If you're sitting on the edge of your seat, fucking bursting from the seams to take a trade, you're going to get cooked. We're really going to need to wait for some clean traffic to be printed or get out of this chop here. Tried your Discord link, it says it expired. You might need to copy the link and paste it into your browser. That's what the issue will be. No weed, no alcohol, 100% Quinton trading. Good stuff, man. That's what it's going to take. I really understand what it takes to find success in trading, but I've really been trying to figure out how to put it into words. If you're not trading price action, what are you doing? Not trading. NQ sells. I mean, the issue is we're right at that level now. If we get a break at that level below. Aru, what up? What up? Yeah. Yeah, because the thing, if you get an NQ break below here on the 15, if you look at the 15, that means that the 15 will look... that means the 15 will look like this. I don't really like the way that looks, right? Dangerous trading in this range. This is like, if you're trading in this range here, it's like swimming in the ocean where there's signs up saying strong current. But the issue with this is when there's a strong current, there's a lifeguard at the beach. Here, there's no motherfucking lifeguard. So you swim at your own risk. All right? Swim at your own risk. How many trades a week you enter on average? Like 1 a day on average, I guess. 1 or 2 a day. Yeah. 1 or 2 a day on average. The Discord link's not expired. Yeah, new Discord link here posted on YouTube chat and pinned. Love the comparison. Yeah, it's pretty much what it's like. Going to the gym every day has helped me trading. Yep. Monthly, yeah. It's up to you, Jack, really. Oh, about the thing, John? Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna need a bit of, I don't know yet. I don't know, David, someone else will probably explain it better than I can. Barcode on NQ, yeah, very nice stuff on NQ. Have fun with that. Which country do you want to retire in? I don't believe in retirement. I'm technically already retired based on like the general consensus of like Gen Pop. I don't work for anyone. No one pays my bills, right? I don't work, like there's no dude I have to be like, hey boss, clocked in. Can I have a sick day? You know what I mean? I don't really believe in retirement. Like this idea that you'll work for 70 years and then you get to just sit back and then what? Just die? Like go do something. Help build something that makes something better for other people. Do you have to contribute to your super? I mean, I did in Australia. I don't know about over here. I don't know how it works over here. The goal is to get to a point where, bro, the last thing I give a shit about is super. You know what I mean? Nice C+. C+ sounds like a super fund. C+ superannuation fund. Your money's safe with us. Be useful. C+ super. Your money is definitely safe with us. Trust me. That's right. Put it all here. Then have you had any pre-workout yet? No. No. I'm actually low on coffee. Lock in, chat. Lock in while gold's doing this crazy shit right here. Like you can see the volume here is just insane. We're really gonna have to get crafty with. We're gonna have to get crafty with everything. Bruh. All right, now I'm ready. I'm charged up to go full margin. Oh, that's good. It's actually sour. Do you remember how, who remembers sour heads and lollies from back in the day? They were actually sour. Lollies aren't even sour anymore. Buy now, take profit. All right, buy now. I'm buying now because BBO Bad Bunny on TikTok told me to. So, thanks a lot for the signal. When's Raja? No, we had to cancel last minute. Yeah, we had to cancel last minute. If I lose BBQ bad whatever, then you're banned. BBQ Bad Bunny. And it's not looking good. This was a really bad idea to follow someone's signal in the chat. Oh, we're nearly at 200 likes here. This was a really bad idea to follow fucking BBQ Bad Bunny's signals. Stop profit take loss, legit. Look, BBQ Bad Bunny's freaking laughing now. Sorry I'm late. Is the podcast... Oh, I have no idea when the podcast is going on. Yeah, I don't know. BBQ... Sorry. Oh, fuck. NQ rejected massively. Are people actually buying? They better not be. This is stupid BBQ Bad Bunny's fucking signals. God damn it. This is why you don't take freaking signals, man. Do you guys see now why you don't take signals? Sir, signal! I just gave you one. It was BBQ Bad Bunny signal. $202 likes? Wow, no way. Yes. Epic. This is a groundbreaking day over here. People are liking it. Can we get the likes up because BBQ Bad Bunny just made me lose all my money? Just blew my account on that cig. Oh, Slim Daniel. Full port longs? Yeah, I just tried to. This is what happens when you wait around too long and someone says, buy now. Trust me, bro. You guys keen on the trust me, bro signals? This 30-minute candle's about to close here. I might take an impulse sell at the break. I don't know. Sideways today, yes. Can't trust them random Temu traders. Fuck. Temu traders, man. Yeah, gold's stuck in the mud big time. The fucking whole division's stuck in the mud, mate. Who's seen Robert Whittaker lose? Bryce Mitchell win. Fuck, who else was in that card? No trade? No, nothing just yet, bro. Oh, look at this. Got funded with Bullinox. Nice. Very good. Why would anybody take signals from a guy named Barbecue Bad Boy? Yeah, that guy's taking those signals is fucking me, unfortunately. If NQ can break below on this next candle, it'd be alright. David Holmes. What's your evidence, Mr. Bunny? Yeah, I guess we just got to play the game of seeing what can happen here. I mean, I'm more bearish than anything. Yeah, I'm more bearish. I do. I mean, there's no signs that we're really pushing back up. We've got a big wick over here that might need to be filled. Like, we moved down all the end of last week. If anything, I'm a bear today. But I guess there's no point really hanging around. Nothing's happening. We'll hang out for another candle. Like, I'll see how this candle develops. But if nothing develops after this candle, then could just be a no trizzle day. Steve. Stay. You must stay. You shall not pass. Bro, whatever happened to the days of like a dope sci-fi fucking Lord of the Rings type movie? You know what I mean? I guess there's no such thing as movies anymore. No, I'm getting impatient now putting sell stops here and shit. Baby barbecue, you could be right or wrong. It's a 50-50% chance, but the reality is there's no trade there. There's no reason to take a fucking buy position right there in the middle of chop suey. Movies are not good anymore. I know, man, it's so weird. Got to stay? Damn, yeah, I might stay. I've got nothing else to do in my life. I'm a loser. Funded. I was gonna set up a personal account with Raja today actually, but we didn't end up doing that either. Yeah, anything from Christopher Nolan is going to be fire. Yeah, he's definitely my favorite director by far. He done Inception, Interstellar. That other movie where everyone fucking walks backwards and shit. Inception and Interstellar are just insane movies. How's the high life in Dubai? good. I don't know about the high part though, but yeah, Dubai's good. Tenet, that's what it's called, Tenet. So this 4 hour, when's the 4 hour close on Forex? David Jones. Wow, this 4 hours rejecting. Do you miss Australia? I don't miss Australia. I miss some parts of people from Australia, but that's about it. Are you AI? Yes. Lucy, yeah, Lucy was good. Is Lucy by Christopher Nolan? How hot is it in Dubai? It's very hot. Abdul, what up, my G? What's the most amount of people that join under join/trade on? What do you mean? Jack, it's called Interstellar and Inception. Imagine having volume in the market. Oh, fire. Good morning. Out of curiosity, how much does mentorship cost? This is how much it costs. The first thing we check is your body fat percentage. How often you go to the gym? Are you willing to die for me? And if you can tick those boxes, then you're good. What was your reaction when trading started to click for you? My reaction was, you're an idiot. You could have done this all along, but you fucked around. Yeah. It wasn't a click moment, it was a process though. Guys, I might take a revenge trade here. Don't follow in my footsteps. Do as I say, not as I do. Oh, that's a buy. See, I can't even put the fucking right position there. Do as I say, not as I do. Why do you add or remove sell stops? Because I'm going a bit crazy. How are the women in Dubai? The worst of all time. I'm hoping that changes. I want my perception to change, but my experience so far has been so bad, man. This candle closes in 5 minutes. Let's see. How are the men in Dubai? Good. Imagine that, yeah, the chicks are fuck the chicks, but the men are great. Sounds so zesty. No, I don't know. I've just been chilling in the house. An example of the chicks, Matt? Well, the biggest one is turns out they're all a lot of them are escorts, which sucks. And then a lot of them that I've talked to, they're like, I'm like, what are you up to tonight? They're like, I really want to go, I'm really hungry. I want to go eat somewhere. I'm like, scab. Like, stop being a scab. Like, is that really what Tate says? What do you mean, Matt? My order would have got triggered to send. Oh, I don't know. So I don't drink these days, so I don't even freaking know. I mean, Baby Barbecue that told me to buy before would be pooing their pants. Visit Abu Dhabi, way better. Is it really? Yeah, they ask you to take them out on expensive restaurants. Yeah, that's the vibe I'm getting. Like, they just want me to go take them somewhere and spend all my money on them and then see ya. Like, scab, get a job. Like, I'm happy to do that, but for a girl that I'm actually like interested in, not just some random chick that wants to go get a free feed. Yeah, I kind of wanted to be a part of this impulse move here. What is a scab? It's like an Australian saying for like Australians know what I mean, like scab, like you know, people that kind of want, you know, if you ever at like a skate park or something and you order hot chips and then like someone like trying to eat all your chips, like fuck off, you scab. Cheapskate, yeah. It's like, imagine if a dude was like that, like, oh, I'm hungry. And she's like, oh, I'll take you. I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyway. Yeah, I wanted to kind of be a part of a bit of this impulse move here, but all good. It's not all good. It just increased my rage even more, but all good. Too many broke girls expect the guy to behave the whole thing. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm just not used to it. I'm really not used to that kind of, where they lead with that. Why would they get a job when they could have lines of men doing all that? Yeah, I guess so. No, I haven't met any Australians in Dubai. Josie King, it's called a ZVE10. Yeah, Baby Barbecue that gave me the buy signal would be... You really need to go reassess your life. Are you Muslim? Alhamdulillah? No. Man, if we can... I guess I'm going to have to hang out a little bit longer. If we can move down to this level here, we're going to be very happy. I don't know if I'll hang out to them, but that's going to be really good, man, if we can get out of this fucking chop. Bro, where have you been looking? Bumble. I know, I need to go more traditional in person. Daniel, people are accusing you of you are taking good trains after stream. What do you say about that? I say to that, you got me. I would say you got me. I have a secret 10,000 profit strategy that I use off stream specifically. I don't show up to stream to spend my whole trading session here. I show up to stream for like an hour and a half, and if something presents, then I'll take it. If I jump off stream and then it presents, then I'll take it then. What kind of girl would you go on a date on? I mean, a normal one, just a normal one. How long's the lease in your apartment? 3 months. I just did a 3-month upfronter, and then once that's over, I might renew it. We'll see. right, let's have a look. We've got that closure here. Yeah, it would have been nice to be a part of that. I mean, this would have been a good play if in most scenarios, but just the fact that today has been chop suey. That's why I kept deleting my order. I was like, maybe I shouldn't. Yeah, exactly, Carolina. People understand that sessions of volume happen in such, but yeah, I can't determine when volume's going to come into the market. Yeah, it's not my job. My job is to show up. That's all. There's 4 hours rejecting here. Yeah, I'm bearish. Like, let's be honest. Even if you look at the candles here, there's bigger red candles than there is small than green candles, right? I mean, I show up closest. I show up for like an hour and a half for the London stream, and then I might, you know, do something around the house and have a little sticky beak. But I'm done after London. Do you pay tax in Dubai? No. No. Make sure you guys do a thumbs up for the stream, gang. No, I would never go to Thailand. There's too much. The devil dwells there way too much for my liking. I'd like to distance myself from degen behaviors, and that's something I like about Dubai is like most degenerate behavior is like illegal. Like you're not gonna see just hookers. Actually, there's fucking hookers everywhere. Well, you can't just like get drugs anywhere and things like that, and just there's degenerate shit everywhere. Yeah, I know, Matt. I know. I'm being general, but I don't know. So let's see. Yeah, we're definitely moving down. Yeah, the devil does tempt you wherever you go. That's true. That's true. Yeah, I'm being too general. I mean, I should have kept my sell order there. You guys gaslit me. I could be financially free from this trade, but you guys gaslit me. What up, Victor? Let's have a look at NQ. Wow, NQ's nothing, man. Crazy. Yeah, exactly, Matt. Really want to see if gold can fucking start pushing down out of this range here. If we do just consolidate still for the remainder of London, there's a very high probability we're going to get a crazy push New York. Because London and Asia has been low volume. Might be cooking up for New York. This music is making me sleep. Oh, what music is there? Oh, wow. I don't know what that music is. Sorry. Holy shit. Well, all these music's playing. Yeah, the only thing with that, Mitch, is if we look at past data, it looks like we're kind of running out of, like, there's no volume here. Nothing going on. I mean, it can kick back in. Haven't even slept, been up all night for Asia and now London. Oh, you got cooked by 2 low volume sessions. this candle a shot. Give this candle a shot. Any positions? Oh, somebody told me to take a buy, so I did, and it didn't work out. So I'm never taking signals again. So this is in 9 minutes, this hourly candle closes. We're back in this mid-range. Very cool. Okay, think about it like this. What is the human probability of this big naked wick here never being filled? Meaning gold just eventually goes to all-time highs after this. So motherfucking low, it's not even funny. Could it do this? Fill it, maybe dick around and then go? That seems more likely. But the reality of this not being retested and filled to some degree is so low that I would literally bet my children on it that haven't been born yet. I don't have a preference, Mac. I do both Asia and London. Yeah, plenty of news this week as well. Exactly. Going to be an insane week this week, you guys. Tons of red folder news. Chop suey is not fun? No, chop suey is not fun. That's for sure. Chop suey is not fun. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Moving onto the session. If you're going to still watch the charts, this is the keyest level of all key levels. If you get a break below this, if I can sell your kids, you know, we want to really look for sells below here. If it comes down and like impulsively moves down, leaves a wick, and you have clean traffic along here, you might be able to get a nice buy position back up as well, even if it's just to up here somewhere. But right now, there's fuck all happening. We're still in a lot of chop here. I think the best thing is just to chill out off stream and see if we can get something happening. So why not a longer stream? Because we're going to just be sitting here waiting for ages, bro. So... But awesome, you guys. Thank you for showing up. We'll get back at it London tomorrow, and all is good. Don't force any trades, man. Don't force anything, you guys. Nothing happening here. All right. Appreciate it. Catch up with you guys tomorrow.